Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wi-Fi Cam app. First, download the Wi-Fi Cam application from your device's app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Next, ensure your camera is powered on and positioned within a good range of your Wi-Fi network. Finally, connect your mobile device to the exact same Wi-Fi network that your camera will be using for seamless communication. Once the app is installed, open it and follow the clear on-screen prompts to add a new device. You'll typically be asked to scan a QR code located on your camera or to manually input its unique device identification number. The app will then work to establish a secure connection, a process that usually completes in under 30 seconds, linking your camera to your phone. With your camera connected, you can now access the live video feed directly within the application. If your camera supports it, utilize the intuitive on-screen controls to pan across a wide area, tilt up or down, or zoom in for a closer look. You can also easily capture high-quality still images or record video clips with just a single tap on the designated buttons. Beyond live viewing, explore advanced features like setting up motion detection, alerts to receive instant notifications on your phone. Configure your preferred recording options, whether it's to cloud storage or a local SD card, offering many hours of footage. You can also securely share camera access with family. Remember to regularly update both your app and camera firmware for optimal performance and enhanced security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.